Hey everybody, my name is John and I'm the owner of Yep We Fix Carpet. Today we are at a hotel and we are going to do some color repair on their carpet. We're also going to do some structural repair, some stretching, but actually we're not going to do the stretching today. But they have some common area issues that we are going to fix, but also we are going to be doing dyeing today, just to kind of give you a heads up. What happens is that people do their laundry in these places and they spill bleach in the commons, and so we're going to go ahead and fix that today. But anyway, so yeah, John from Yep We Fix Carpet. I am the owner. We consult other hotels with some of their carpet issues. We go ahead and fix those issues for them if we possibly can, but more than likely we can. If we can't, we give them suggestions. We tell them what to do. So anyway, thank you and have a wonderful day.